Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again with the S2K. So what I got going on today, I had I've been having this for a while, and I'm now just gonna put it on. But I got the piping for the intercooler. I had already kind of put it on, but I barely got these two like the other day, probably sometime last week. And I had already kind of put these up to see if they were gonna be the right length, the right size, and whatnot, and they were. So then I went ahead and bought this 90-degree elbow I needed, and then this reducer right here from 3 to 2.5 for the intercooler. And then I also went, I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, I don't think I have, but I got the dump tube for the wastegate, and then this elbow right here, because the way when I got the headers and I cut them up and we added some flanges to it, we didn't add the flanges correctly. We did it so where it's facing this, so this either hits over here or over here, and there's barely any room. So I went ahead and just got this elbow to add, and then I'm gonna have the piping over here. So it's gonna run I think it's gonna run over here, either into here, or it's gonna run its own tube. Same with this one. This one's gonna run out over here and then up. So I might have 3 pipes in total, or if I want to run this into here or into this other one. So I don't know, we'll see about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and then see if we can get this bad boy going too. Maybe I could get a little today, and then yeah, from there we'll see what happens. Let's go. Alright, so I got everything hooked on up. I am missing 2 clamps, but I'm gonna get those later. But it should be no problem for now, since I'm not really driving it. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on, see how it is, and we'll see if we get a flutter. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you guys saw, the first startup, it went perfectly fine. Started up, but I can't rev it up too high. I don't want to spin out a bearing or something, damage something. So the turbo wasn't really spooling, because it doesn't start spooling at least around 35 to 4,000 RPMs. Then I went ahead and tried to put on the AEM. ECU did not start up at all. I'm assuming it's because of the map sensor. I don't have the map sensor. I just have the regular Honda sensor. I'm waiting for that to come. It's a Skunk 2 4-bar map sensor. I'm assuming that has something to do with it. But other than that, I mean, it started up fine. We couldn't get a spool or a flutter because I didn't want to rev this up too high, because if I rev it up, I could damage something, because I do not have a tune yet. So therefore I was not able to get it to do what I wanted it to do, but we will soon. Other than that, we've gotten much closer to getting these things done. Still need those things right there. Don't know how I'm gonna run it exactly sure yet. And if you're wondering if the hood will close, yes, it closes with this hood, but I still don't have my other hood, so I'm not able to make sure to see if it's going to be able to close, because this one has the indents right here which give it room to close. But other than that, so far so good. Alright guys, so I finished up with the car. We're done with it. It's done. I mean, we're done for today. We're not done with it completely. We're done for today. I'm waiting for that sensor to come in. That's why I could start it with the other ECU, hopefully. And then other than that, I mean, thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to go down to the Meister shop, check out our new sweatshirts that I got these ones. I also added 2 new ones. Have pictures of them on here probably. If not, go ahead and check them out in the description. Also, I got a new podcast. Don't forget to check that out. I put up yesterday one, and then putting up one tomorrow too, so be on the lookout for those. Well, those will have its own personal channel, but for now we are putting them up on this channel. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Oh, I wonder what he's doing. Like, what do you think they're doing right now? Like,
right now?
Yeah, like,
oh, he's getting massaged by like 15 Chinese ladies.